Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Friday, March the 26th, 2010. Well, a very small red body candle today, and the small red body means that the sellers have made a minor amount of net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. And that's in contrast to the previous two trading days where they made a substantially larger amount of net progress than the current day. If we look at this type of candle, this is a spinning top type candle and that denotes indecision. And it's indecisive because we have a very small body, which means that neither side really made any significant bearish or bullish progress. But we also have the large shadow on either end, on the top and on the bottom. And the large shadow on the top represents downside price rejection as the market attempted to trade above the 1169 zone of resistance. So that area is holding again. But also upside price rejection as the market attempted to trade through the 1163 area of potential support. Also, it coincides with the support area at the Tenkan Sen, the green line here, which was at 1165 and the buyers came in. So a rather indecisive day where there was a large battle between the bulls and the bears today, and neither side really won that battle. Also, with the market closing around the midpoint level means that neither side closed in control of that market, and both sides lack commitment to taking this market higher or lower. We have, although, had a change of trend today, and we note from the previous 2 days that yesterday we had an outside day which raised out about the continuation of the trend to the upside. The previous day we had an inside day which raised some doubt initially about the continuation of the trend and those green bodied candles previous to that. And today we've had the change of trend with a lower high and a lower low. So a change of trend to the downside has been confirmed today. But having said that, though, this market doesn't look like it wants to go on with it. It's not the type of candle that you want to see beginning a downtrend. It's a very indecisive candle. So there is potential for this market to change trend to the upside. Having said that, though, we don't have any evidence of that because we have an indecisive day where neither side won the battle between the bulls and the bears. So all we can really do is watch to this area around the 1169 region and the high of the current candle for the market to potentially retest the 1179 region, and also around the low down around from the 1163 region of support and down to below around the 1160 region for the potential for the market to trade down to around that 1150 area of previous resistance, which is now support. Now the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and it's looking rather extended. It's trading a long way up above there, and there is potential for the market to continue coming off, and that's what happens when the market trades too far away from these levels of equilibrium that are described by the cloud, the Kijun Sen, and the Tenkan Sen. And interestingly, we have the Tenkan Sen pointing sideways, and quite often when that points sideways, the price action tends to be attracted back towards there. So there is potential for this market to come off to trade down to around 1133. So we do need to be aware of that. The market is trading up above the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, however, and that reflects that the market is in an uptrend, or it's bullish in the medium and fast term time frames, and also the larger picture time frame, the longer term time frame, with regard to how the market's trading up above the cloud. Now the market is almost trading at the Tenkan Sen, which is reflecting that the market's finding equilibrium in that time frame as well, and is very close to it. But as we've noted quite often previously, when the market has solid upside momentum, as we've seen in this fast time frame from the slope of the Tenkan Sen, and it's pointing up rather sharply, that it tends to find support around that Tenkan Sen initially, and that's what's happened here today. So there is a chance that the market will trade up and test this 1179 region. To be honest, I think this market will go either way. We have strong resistance overhead, strong support down below, and we just need to watch these zones for any potential breakouts.